Hello, and welcome to all of our graduates in the class of 2020. I am Kit Pogliano, the Dean of the Division of Biological Sciences. I commend all of you on your hard work and dedication and congratulate each member of this historic class for completing your degrees during a pandemic and at a moment in time in which we are all confronting the uncomfortable truth that systemic racism persists in our society. I'd like to especially recognize and congratulate students who are graduating with degrees in biological sciences, who have explored the living world through studies in the classroom, laboratory, and nature, and who have mastered both the language and the practice of biological sciences. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has reminded us of the importance of biological sciences in addressing the world's most daunting challenges. I know that each of you will deploy your knowledge, entrepreneurial spirit, creativity, high ethical standards, and compassion to harness the power of biology for the public good. Your graduation comes at a time when leaders are being called upon to create a more equitable world by dismantling systemic racism. You are our new leaders. You have the power to confront racism and xenophobia. Together, we can change the world. From all of us in biological sciences, congratulations. We cannot wait to see how you will change the world.